through my journey with them, I've been trying to understand this relationship of cancer cells, and it comes back to universal consciousness. And there is such thing as called quantum tunneling, which means that actually cells can communicate just like mitochondria with other cells, and they go beyond the barrier of the cell through this interconnection. So a whole ecosystem within our body is so incredible, because as we talk about realities, there is a reality within this vessel, and they have their own experiences of their own universes within us, right? And so how do we interconnect them and merge them? And especially if someone has disease, and what is disease? Back to resistance, lack of ease. It's bringing it, this, like cancer cells, let's say, like understanding why cancer happens. I have had a few, I would say, in the last few years, patients, friends who have passed from cancer for various reasons. But through my journey with them, I've been trying to understand this relationship of cancer cells. And it comes back to universal consciousness. It comes back to the fact that some aspects of ourselves and some cells just diverted so far away from connection from the source. And so it is important to keep a whole ecosystem within integrated and merged and talking to each other. So otherwise, that's kind of cancer, I think, is when the disconnection happens, the resistance happens. And usually it's interesting to see where exactly the resistance in the body, right? Because that part of the body indicates the resistance in the energy, because it starts really before the body is always the last place the resistance really shows up. It starts somewhere as ideation, then it moves into this like dream space of energy where we have chronic dreams, let's say, that we never processed, or some other resistances that we just keep on having. So if we allow that to happen, the body is just that last energetic, that light body, right, that is just experienced in a certain way. And this is, I call it eternal medicine. This is the time to stop, examine, and be like, what is the message? What did I have not been paying attention to? Why is it showing up the way it does in that part of the body? There's always a larger indicator.